sauce, which is a sweet and spicy sauce that's a great complement to all kinds of seafood. We use it on our jumbo prawns as well as our Louisiana whiskey salmon. Don't worry about portions because you can pause this video at the end and we'll put up the actual recipe. Now we got a cup of oil, and to a cup of oil I am going to add 1 pound of brown sugar. We're going to get this brown sugar to melt in this oil. And the cool thing about brown sugar is that it changes. You can actually make candy, and this goes through softball and hardball stage. And that's one of the things here today that we want to make sure that we don't get to. We don't want a hardball or a softball, but we really want to just melt this brown sugar until it is smooth and not grainy. So we can go ahead and put that on high heat. This is one of those sauces that doesn't really look like it's coming together until the very end. So bear with me. Now we're getting some heat on that. Get that melted and smoothed out. You're gonna get kind of a foam to this once it gets hot enough. And you need that foam. That's going to tell you that this stuff is coming together and melting upright. And as you can see right now, it's kind of here's you're starting to get a little bit of your foam here. You zoomed in on that.
Mm-hmm.
Separated right now. You want to scrape your sides and kind of pull this foam into the middle until you get going here. Okay, so you got your oil, you got brown sugar, and you've got a little bit of foam going on. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of Worcestershire sauce, 2 ounces of red wine vinegar, and we're going to do about 10 ounces of ketchup. If I can get it out of this bottle. That's a 14-ounce bottle here, so we're not going to use quite the whole thing. There we go. Now we're going to get the heat down a little bit. And this should start to incorporate pretty well. Now you can see a sauce actually starting to develop here. We've got some oil on top, but that's going to get its way worked in. Here comes that foam I was talking about. Let's get that down a little bit more as it starts to foam. Now we're going to take our 2 ounces of whiskey. You want to be careful if you got a gas burner because that can flame up on you if it heats too high. We're going to bring that down before it boils over. Now you've got a sweet whiskey sauce here. And that is, as you can see, it's all pulling together and becoming one sauce. And now for the spice, we're going to use 1 and 2 heaping tablespoons of Collins Cajun spice, which, again, we'll throw the recipe up on the end of this, and that's what gives it its hot and spicy. Our heat is off now, and you have got lovely, creamy, sweet, spicy whiskey sauce right off the heat. And there you go. I'll show you what to do with this on another one of our videos.